Hello everyone. In this video, we will study about general characteristics of phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes contains about 26,500 extant species of free-living and parasitic worms all over the world. More than 1 lakh undescribed species have been estimated to exist under this phylum. After studying this topic, you will be able to describe the morphology of Platyhelminthes, enlist characteristics and examples of phylum Platyhelminthes, and explain the parasitic mode of life in Platyhelminthes. Under general characteristics of Platyhelminthes, we will cover level of organization and body plan, morphology, habitat, parasitic life cycle, digestive system, reproductive system, and nervous system of Platyhelminthes. In animal kingdom, when we move from lower invertebrates to higher vertebrates, Platyhelminthes is the first phylum that shows organ grade of organization. It is a next step from the tissue level of organization which is seen in Coelenterata. Platyhelminthes are triploblastic, that means they show presence of 3 germinal layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. However, they are acoelomate, that means they lack presence of true coelom. The cavity between the gut and the body wall is filled with mesenchyme, or also known as parenchyma, which is a mesodermally derived tissue. Platyhelminthes are known as flatworms because they have dorso-ventrally flattened body. The body shape varies from oval to flat ribbon-like structure. The size also varies greatly from less than 1 millimeter to up to several meters. The largest flatworm could be a tapeworm, which is found in the gut of the blue whale, which grows up to 10 meters. Generally, the members of phylum Platyhelminthes are dull in color. Mostly which are parasitic are transparent or semi-transparent or dull yellow or grayish in color. However, free-living Platyhelminthes like carpet worms could be very bright in color. About 75% of the species of Platyhelminthes are parasitic to invertebrate or vertebrates. Their hosts can be terrestrial or aquatic. Some of the Platyhelminthes which are free-living, they are found in terrestrial and aquatic environment. Mostly they are benthic in nature. They are found in marine as well as freshwater. However, there are very few groups of Platyhelminthes which are found in freshwater. Platyhelminthes show very complex type of life cycle. They have one or more invertebrate or vertebrate hosts involved in their life cycle. They also take help of abiotic factors like soil, water, air, food in order to transfer from one host to the other. Parasitic flatworms also show spatial adaptations which are physiological as well as morphological. Sometimes they show presence of hooks and suckers on their body. Also their digestive system, respiratory system is modified with respect to their parasitic life. They show immense capacity of reproduction in order to ensure continuation of the race. In free-living flatworms, digestive system is incomplete like a blind pouch. Pharyngeal glands secrete enzymes that help in digestion. Digestion is partially extracellular. The phagocytic cells in the gut help in digestion. However, gut is absent in parasitic forms because they are totally dependent on their host to get the nutrients. Platyhelminthes have great capacity of regeneration. During unfavorable condition, the body can break down into several parts and then each segment can give rise to a new individual. Most of them are monoecious, that means male as well as female reproductive system is present in the same individual and reproduction is ensured by self-fertilization. However, during favorable conditions, the Platyhelminthes could also show cross-fertilization through hermaphroditism, where at a time only one type of system is active. Some non-parasitic Platyhelminthes show spiral type of cleavage in order to form blastula. In Platyhelminthes, nervous system is ladder-like. It consists of a pair of anterior ganglia with longitudinal nerve cords connected by transverse nerves. This nervous system is located in the mesenchyme. In Platyhelminthes, protonephridia are excretory or osmoregulatory structures. In next video, we will study classification of Platyhelminthes. Thank you.